So now we'll start by learning about the controllers and its functions, and also followed by some different features present within OpenBrush. So these are the two controllers which we have. This is the left hand controller and this is the right hand controller. So first we'll start with the right hand controller. So the trigger which you see here on the top of your controller is called the index trigger. So it primarily has two functions. One is for sketching and the second is for selecting different options. For example, here you can see when I hover my right hand controller to the panel, the icons get highlighted, and after it you can just select those. Nextly we have the grab trigger, which you can see is getting highlighted with a blue color. So when you press both the grab trigger of your left and right controller, you can basically navigate around the canvas, and also you can zoom in and zoom out. So here I'll just draw something and you can see I'm able to zoom in and zoom out. Nextly we have the B button. So if you keep holding the B button, you'll gain access to these different tools. So to select any tools, just hover your controller on top of the icon and release it. So here you can see it got selected. Next we have the icon with the rabbit, which is the A button. So the rabbit icon basically means whenever you are sketching, your sketches will not have a delay effect into it. Now when I press this button, you can see it changes into a turtle. Now whenever you sketch, you will get a delay in your sketch. So this will give you a much smoother effect on your brush strokes. And lastly, we have the thumbstick. So with this, you are able to increase and decrease the size of your brush. So if you move it towards your right, you can see the size has increased. And now if you move it towards your left, the size will be much smaller.